is the most she lost in any one area?
2¼ inches.
This really is remarkable. We're gonna start working on my butt right now. All right,
This is an FDA-approved treatment.
It's super comfortable. It's really warm.
And in 20 minutes, I lost 5 inches in my midsection. It was incredible. I was shocked.
LiLa's strawberry laser is a non-invasive Class 3B cold laser. LiLa uses low-level cold laser technology to painlessly melt fat within the fat cells. The end result is immediate inch loss in the treated areas. In a double-blind clinical study, the average inch loss achieved was 3.7 inches. Get the head start you were looking for to have the healthy lifestyle you always wanted with LiLa. Inquire today at mylilabody.com.
Hello, I'm Dr. Don Stokes, and this is the FDA-cleared LiLa Laser Lipo. This non-invasive Class 3B cold red laser produces immediate inch loss in the treated areas, and so we accurately say you are thinner with every visit.
It's like a laser lipo with no surgery involved. How many inches total has she lost?
8 inches off her circumference in the 4 areas measured.
Off her circumference.
She lost in the lower abdominal area 2¼ inches.
That's amazing.
It's called the strawberry laser, and this new treatment, it's pretty sweet.
This is an FDA-approved treatment for inch loss, actually 3.7 inch loss, 8 treatments, 10 minutes each. That's it. And the patient experiences only a little bit of warmth. That's it.
And the gentleman that owned the company sent it to me saying that we guarantee you that you're gonna see something happen in your life that is gonna change your life forever. So I did the treatment, and in 20 minutes I lost 5 inches in my midsection.
If you could lose 2 inches or more around your midsection in 20 minutes or less using this non-invasive treatment, no surgery, no pain, no needles, and no downtime, would you be interested? On the website mylilabody.com are photographic examples proving how well it works. Each before and after photo was no more than 8 treatments. Results of the FDA double-blind clinical study showed an average inch loss of 3.7 inches around the midsection. That was after only 8 10-minute treatments. This is like me pulling my belt 4 inches tighter after just 8 10-minute treatments. It's important to note there were no adverse reactions experienced. I will explain what you can expect each treatment and how the LiLa laser works. After filling in the brief forms, the person is weighed and then measured and marked for pre- and post-treatment documentation results. Then photographed, usually the first and last visits. You will then lie down where you can relax as we treat 2 areas for 10 minutes each. We position the laser paddles over the area marked. To begin treatment, simply press this button, and it's on. The person operating the strawberry laser can leave the room for 10 minutes. LiLa Master Trainers train and certify operators to safely use the laser for best results. During the treatment, this low-level cold laser technology painlessly emulsifies the fat within the fat cells. Now let's take a look at what is happening at the cellular level. Here are adipocytes or fat cells before treatment. After about 6 minutes of the laser light hitting the fat cells, a temporary pore opens in the cell membrane. The light has a wavelength of 660 nanometers. The fat is released through these pores, allowing triglycerides to spill out. Water, glycerol, and free fatty acids move into the interstitial space, resulting in adipocyte cells collapse without affecting surrounding tissues. With each treatment, the laser light can penetrate deeper into the fat, which adds more to the inch loss and body contouring. The more a person has this inch loss treatment, the smaller their body part becomes. And treatment can be as often as every other day.
How are you doing? Fine. Good. What are you feeling?
This just feels like a nice warm blanket on my belly.
Wonderful. You have a few more minutes on this area and then we'll move it down to your other areas.
Sounds good.
Across the country, people are learning what tens of thousands have already experienced in Britain and Europe for the last several years. That this powerful medical device jumpstarts a person's desire to be healthier because it gives them the immediate and progressive results people expect today. This instant gratification from LiLa's laser motivates those treated to start eating better and exercising a little more, and these satisfied users tell their friends. After the treatment, the person is measured again, and then they stand on a whole body vibration device for 10 minutes. This technology was used by NASA. The vibration helps the body in many ways. We use this medical device because the vibration causes muscles to contract and relax very rapidly. That exercise stimulates the lymphatic system to move the fatty components, utilize and eliminate them. 10 minutes exercising on whole body vibration is similar to a 45-minute workout. This 30-minute process can be repeated as often as every other day. We hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to LiLa's Laser Lipo.
LiLa's stunning growth after its FDA approval is taking the nation. After debuting on the doctors, the results are in. LiLa works, and LiLa is the best. The gold standard is LiLa. Just ask Rachel Ray.
Earlier in the show, you guys all met Candace. She's center stage right now. She's trying out for all of us the newest non-invasive procedure. It's like a laser lipo with no surgery involved. We took her measurements. You guys just completed the second set of measurements, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so Candace was measured before in inches, and she has just been remeasured. How many inches total has she lost?
Well, 8 inches off her circumference in the 4 areas measured.
Off her circumference, total in the 4 measured areas.
So she was a 36 before, she's a 34 now everywhere.
So what is the most she lost in any one area
Well,
in inches?
she lost in the lower abdominal area 2 1/4 inches.
That's amazing. So let's see before and afters. Why don't we shoot you from the front, just like we did before we
Hands
started?
up.
There. Wow.
Look at that.
And then let's turn. Wow. Oh my God. Candace, how do you feel?
Great. Amazed. Absolutely
Rachel.
amazed.
Oh, we're gonna start working on my butt right now. All right, sit right down. This really is remarkable, and this doesn't hurt.
That's
Not
correct.
at all.
I mean,
Not at all.
it's certainly reasonably priced compared to surgery.
Oh, yeah.
And if you follow this up with a healthy diet, there's no reason to say it doesn't last.
And we really want that. We want that for our patients. We want something that lasts long, that they can do easy, no downtime, painless, no bruising. And man, go after it in the gym, go after it in the kitchen, everything.
It's amazing. It really is. Thank you so much to Candace and to Dr. Halpern and his beautiful wife for helping us out today.
Well, as you can see, Alex revealed that she's desperate to get rid of what she calls her mommy thighs. We have a new possible solution that has a bit of a fruity twist. Tell us about it, Dr. Orden.
It's right. It's called the strawberry laser, and this new treatment, it's pretty sweet. And to explain it to us is Dr. David Halpern, board-certified plastic surgeon. David, take it away.
Thank you, Dr. Orden. Well, we have Alex here. Good to see you. Thank you for having me. We have Alex here. And this is a brand new treatment. This is an FDA-approved treatment for inch loss, actually 3.7 inch loss, 8 treatments, 10 minutes each. That's it. No injections, no pain, no downtime,
So
no recovery time.
3.7 inches on each thigh?
No. That was the FDA study that was done on the abdomen, but we also do it on the thigh. Each treatment takes about 10 minutes. You can see these probes are wrapped around each thigh, and this machine is on now. You can see the little red lights that are going on, and the patient experiences only a little bit of warmth. That's it.
Dr. Halpern, explain how it works.
All right, this is very simple. The laser actually penetrates the skin. When the laser penetrates the skin, it drills holes in the fat cells underneath the skin for up to ½ inch underneath. The fat, the triglycerides all leak out, and then we actually tell the patient to exercise after. How different is that?
Hey, while we throw up a few before and afters, can you tell us the cost for the number of recommended treatments?
Perfect. The cost for this is about $250 to $300 a treatment. I think that we recommend, and the most effective results were with 8 treatments over the month. People can do more. They can extend the treatment if they see the results. So there's no set amount, but we recommend 8.
And Alex, what are you feeling?
It's super comfortable. It's really warm. It's like a heat blanket.
So what do you think? Would you like to go through the full set of treatments?
Absolutely.
Well, guess what? We're going to set you up with a full series of 9 strawberry laser treatments. How's that sound?
First time that I tried LiLa, I was skeptical. You know, there's this small box with these composite paddles with little light beams in there, and the gentleman that owned the company sent it to me saying that we guarantee you that you're gonna see something happen in your life that is gonna change your life forever. So I did the treatment, and in 20 minutes I lost 5 inches in my midsection. In 20 minutes, measurably 5 inches. And I'm checking the measurements over and over again. I'm looking at them. I'm looking exactly where the markings are because I couldn't believe it. And then I looked down and I could see, because I don't have a lot of body fat on me, I could see more definition in my core. And it was incredible. I was shocked.
LiLa's Strawberry Laser is a non-invasive Class 3B cold laser. The laser reduces the size of adipocyte without destroying or damaging the cells. The end result is immediate inch loss in the treated areas. During the treatment, LiLa uses low-level cold laser technology to painlessly melt fat within the fat cells. The fat is released through pores that develop within the cells and is then processed naturally through the lymphatic system. The process is similar to exercise. When a person exercises, triglycerides are released from the fat cells. The more exercise, the smaller the fat cells or adipocytes become. LiLa's Strawberry Laser doesn't require any anesthesia, any surgery, or drugs, and the patient doesn't experience any pain or discomfort. Because it's a non-invasive, there's no recovery time, and the patient can get right back to their daily activities. The proof is in the results. In a double-blind clinical study, the average inch loss achieved was 3.7 inches. The percentage of success among those that were treated was higher than 95%. So what are you waiting for? Inquire today at mylilabody.com or ask your physician today.